Hey, it's Dom and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, good morning. Maaga tayo ngayon kasi birthday ni Ate Andrea. So, nag-blow siya ng cake kanina. I-insert ko na lang yung video. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Andrea.
Happy birthday.
How old are you now? 11. Okay, make a wish. Yay! Tapos, kakain muna kami sa Eggsmart. It's only 7:20 para may isang oras kami magkain sa Eggsmart bago siya pumasok sa school. Hi, birthday girl! Happy birthday, ate! How old are you now? 11. Bye! Hi, ate! Happy birthday! So, where are we, ate? Eggsmart, birthday breakfast before school. Andito kami sa Eggsmart ngayon. Thank you, ate. So, we're here at Eggsmart. Ate's birthday.
Thank you.
Smile.
That's so pretty.
Say hi, Daddy. Adelaide, hello. Okay, color sila ni ate. Itong magulo.
Can you color like this?
We're playing tic-tac-toe. Walang nanalo sa amin ni ate. Naku, panalo ang daddy niya. Natalo ka ng daddy mo?
Where's Adelaide?
Ah, nahulog ni Adelaide yung crayon niya. Oh, yeah. Dumating na yung drinks namin. I have hot chocolate with whipped cream, apple juice for ate, and coffee for daddy. Si Adelaide, yung milk niya. Dumating na yung order ni birthday girl. Meron siyang sausage, homemade fries, scrambled egg, and toasted bread, and fruits. Hi, ate.
Hey.
Same order sila ni daddy. Ito naman yung sa akin. Ang difference lang sa akin, ham yung akin. You like it, Adelaide? Hi, ate. You like it? And, kain muna kami, guys. Tapos na kami mag-breakfast, guys. Ate, did you like your breakfast?
Yeah.
Siyempre, nag-enjoy din si Adelaide. So, madami kaming tira kasi yung mga bread hindi namin kain masyado. Pero masarap yung sausage, ham, and yung homemade potato fries. So, may take home kami nun kasi gusto ni ate at saka ni Adelaide yun. Yan. Tapos si daddy, siyempre, enjoy siya sa coffee niya. Ako, favorite ko talaga yung hot chocolate with whipped cream doon. Tapos si ate, apple juice. So, hatid na namin siya sa school, pero maaga pa. So, tatambay kami siguro doon sa gate. Hi guys, kami una sa school ni Andrea. Greet na siya ng teacher niya, nakasalubong namin. Hi Adelaide! Adelaide! Naku, gustong-gusto niya dito, ate. Dito yung early on mo, Adelaide, oh. Di pa tayo pumunta ulit. Gusto niya mag-early on. Hey, Adelaide! Kala namin malilate kami or magagahol kami sa time, guys. Pero maaga pa pala kami. We're like 45 minutes early kanina nung umalis kami dun sa restaurant. Hindi pa kami nagmamadali kumain nun. Like, ang bagal pa namin kumain. Kaya, nagulat ako maaga pa kami. So, andito muna kami ni Andrea at ni Adelaide. Nag-chill muna kami rito sa school. Si Andrea yung unang student. Tapos nakasalubong namin yung teacher niya. So, again, grinit siya. Thank you, Miss Romero. Ang bait niya. She's so pretty din. Hi, Adelaide. Hello! Adelaide! Hello!
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, kasi ano na ate. Anong oras na A lot of people are coming na. Happy birthday, ate! What? Are you shy, anak? It's your birthday! Huh?
Say something at home.
Okay. So, we're trying to play Pico, but I forgot the rules. Adelaide, go to the color box.
Do you like the color?
Adelaide, let's go to the color box.
The yellow one might be
It's okay. It's still yellow. It's still visible. Okay, jump! Jump!
Which color? Jump on which color?
Green!
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Babay daw.
What?
Adelaide, are you tired? You're making ate carry you na. Kinary na siya ni ate kasi upo siya ng upo sa floor. Walk, walk, walk. We're walking on sunshine. Ah, tama ba guys? Adelaide? Adelaide, say hello. She's trying to make friends. Hello. Adelaide, say hello. Hello. She loves to make friends, ate. Hi guys, nahatid na namin si Ate Andrea sa school. Nakauwi na kami. So, punta lang kami dun sa friend ko, dun sa ninang ni Adelaide, si Tinang Rain. Lapit lang dito, as in, sa may kabilang door lang sila. Andito kami sa mansion ni Madam Rain. Nakita ko sa inyo si Baby Drew. Ang ganda ng mga halaman niya, guys. Hi, Baby Drew! Ang laki na ni Baby Drew. Ilang months na siya, Madam?
9.
9 months kasi si Adelaide 18 months. Pero magkasing tangkad lang sila. Diba, Adelaide? Hi, Baby Drew! May sipon kayo parehas magkaibigan, ha?
Dance mo siya.
Dance! Dance, baby! Ikaw nga, Madam, kaya mo siya pa.
Dance, Drew, go! Tigs, 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 tigs. Dance na! Hiya ka pa. Tigs, 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 tigs.
Ang tangkad niya, no?
Ewan ko pa daw.
Dance!
Tigs, 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 tigs. Oh, hindi na mawak, oh. Ah, yabang.
Maglalakad na siguro to.
Kaya nga malapit na yan.
Oo. Dami ng ipin, Madam.
Marami yan.
Ang dami mo ng ipin!
Walang dyan, Atong. Uluhin mo pa lalo ang bahay ko.
Ang dami mong ipin! Hi, Adelaide! We're waiting for ate from school. Kumakain si Adelaide. Ayan na si ate and she's with her friend Coco. Ate's there. Adelaide. Ate? Hi, Coco! Hi, ate! Hi, ate! Hi, Adelaide! We're buying ate's birthday request sushi. We're here at Kami Sushi. it again. One more.
Like what? Ah!
Hi guys, nakauwi na kami. Ang init, grabe, kaya medyo mukhang pagod yung itsura ko. Tapos, ayan si ate. Hi birthday girl! Hi Adelaide! Nakabili na kami nung gusto ni ate na mga fave sushi niya. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan guys, favorite ni ate, salmon sushi, crab meat, and ano yung isa? Shrimp. Hi guys, nagluluto ako ng spaghetti ngayon. Tapos si Sis Maria, dadating siya, may dala siyang chicken. And then si Ate Andrea ngayon kumakain ng sushi niya.
Hi!
Hi Ate! Are you about to eat your sushi?
Yes.
Smile!
Thank you, Mommy.
Dance, make plans, keep the receipts. Karma, she's my best friend. One step closer, here's how it ends. Karma's got a thing for me. You see, you'll be digging up 6 feet. Karma's never let me down. My smile will kill when I cut you out. It's karma.
Hi! Birthday girl!
They can't hear you!
No, they can!
Oh! We're finally done!
Okay, throw it.
Where?
Happy birthday! Okay, open your gift na. I hope you like it.
Inom-inom niya kasi.
I-record ko siya.
Wow! Thank you!
You like it? What is that?
It's yung kit.
Oh, I want it! Okay, then.
Yun pang maliit lang. I think that's a real makeup but not really the
What's
best.
this?
It's your candle if you need. Kita, bumili ako ng candle.
Ay, ang ganda sis.
So yeah, it's from Pandamart. It's my favorite.
What's this?
You didn't ruin the paper bag. I'm gonna use it for Christmas.
Sorry.
Okay. I open it. It's a bag so you can put those things in there. You like it?
Yeah, thank you, Nina.
Okay. Take a picture with my gift. Wait. So Ninong try will.
Wait, can I have
Adelaide, can you? Adelaide. 1, 2, 3. Adelaide, 1. Adelaide, put the other one up. Take this one, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Adelaide. Put the one thing.
Ayan si Sis Maria. Nandito siya for Andrea's birthday. Hi,
Happy
sis!
birthday!
Sis, hi ka rito. Wait,
I'm making Andrea's shirt for her birthday.
thank you, sis. Eto, may
Andrea, take out your tally at Adelaide go.
nagluto ako ng spaghetti and then nagdala si Sis Maria ng fat ng chicken.
Yeah, chicken nuggets.
No, no, Jollibee chicken, guys. And then may pag-gravy si ng fat.
Siyempre, no, hindi masarap ang gravy pag wala. So you just keep it because maybe we need a gift or something.
So, mini celebration today. Kasi sa Saturday pa yung kanyang birthday celebration.
AKA,
Yan, may nanggugulo sa kanila. Si Adelaide.
of course, Adelaide is the #1.
Ate, and Sis Maria. Hi, ate. Hi, birthday girl. Hi, guys. So, tapos na kaming mag-mini celebrate ng birthday ni Ate Andrea. She's officially 11 today. Thank you kay Sis Maria. Nagdala siya ng Jollibee na chicken and ng balloon and then yung regalo niya kay Andrea. Thank you sa mga bumate, nag-message, nag-call at nag-FaceTime. So magte-thank you lang si Ate Andrea para sa mga greetings niyo. Hi Ate, come here. Dito ka, dito ka.
No, can you like...
Oh, dito. Mas malapit.
Thank you.
Sabi mo. Thank you guys for the birthday greetings.
Thank you guys for the birthday greeting.
Ayan. So, thank you guys. I hope you like the vlog. So, happy birthday, Ate Andrea.
Thank you.
Mommy, Daddy, Adeline, and Adelaide loves you so much. Thank you, Sis Maria pala, for helping me today also. Nakaligo ako ng maaga, nakapaghugas ako on organize sa kitchen. And yeah, thank you, Sis Maria. Hi guys, nagkamali ako ng tawag. Si Balae ang natawagan ko. instead ng mom ko. Hi Balae, say hi to my vlog.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Pucha! Dumating na rin pala si Daddy Alvin, guys, from work. Hi, Daddy!
Hi.
Nagustuhan niya yung spaghetti.
Jollibee?
And then, nagustuhan din niya yung Jollibee from Sis Maria. So, ayun. So, magpapahinga na kami, guys. Thank you for watching. Happy birthday, Ate! Ate Andrea, we love you! Say happy birthday, Andrea.
Happy birthday.
Ano message mo kay Andrea?
Happy birthday.
Ang haba ng message niya.